Hello, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. It's Friday, which is a good thing. And I got some stuff in, well, another thing in for my giveaway. And it's a new old stock. This is the one it's in the package. And all of them are green. But a new old stock diamond padlock. And it's a lot smaller than the big one, but it's bigger than the smallest, tiniest one. And knowing what this mechanism is like, on this one right here, the thing also that Urban Hawk talked about, most Chinese keys are made out of steel because steel is cheaper than brass, for that simple reason. But on this one, if you know where the mechanism is at, it acts like a warded padlock. You can ignore, it's got those little wires in there. You can just ignore those. And you go in and it's kind of like, in the middle. If I get it, it's going to pop. I did it just a little while ago once and went, oh, cool. This one you can get past. Mainly because the tension when you turn this on the key is fairly light. It's like a normal lock. And this other one, like I said, had a huge spring in it and everything. So come on. Cooperate with this little diamond here. Once you know where that actuator is at, it's easy to do, but it's got to act up for the camera. I'm also trying to get another one of these Sterling locks to add to the giveaway. I think that'd be cool also. Another cool vintage lock. I spent all my Christmas money and stuff on locks. Alright, you're going to cooperate, little turkey. Don't make me sick the cat. Oh, the cat went to sleep already. What the hell? You're not going to be nodding out when your new buddy comes up if I get your new buddy. Alright. I'm trying to find it. When I hit it, it was easy. I'll see if you can look in here. Get this guy to zoom and look. Alright, zoom in, turkey. What I'm looking for is right behind that last one that's kind of shiny back there. It's not all the way to the end like you would think on a warded padlock. It's like these other ones. And I'd say it's right here on the key. Let's say that's where it is. Let's turn it again. So you don't need a whole lot of force, and it pops up. So you can kind of cheat. Stick the key in there. Figure out they need to be about that far. Have your pick sticking out about that far. Let's see if it works. No. It's a good theory, though. This guy's acting up, man, because really, it didn't take me long fiddling around with it, and I got it to pop open. It didn't take me very long at all. And it's being belligerent. But it is possible. Everybody, yeah, right. No, really, it is. And when you get it, it's really easy, but oh man, I thought I had him right there. It's not at the very end, so you're kind of stuck. Sometimes you're in those little springy things feel just like that gate. And I wasn't even using, I used John McCormick's light to in the other room. I used it to look in here and to see down there, and that one little piece. Anyways, I don't know if I should struggle with this much longer. Turkey. Look, I'm a diamond. I'm going to show off. Yeah, you're going to show off, all right. Well, we don't have to dissect you. You're lucky one of your comrades like, look at your comrade there. You see what happened to him? You went up the same way? You will cooperate. You will cooperate. We'll send you to a padlock labor camp where all bad padlocks go. Well, I don't know. Threats are not working against this guy. I haven't tried the regular warded stuff. Let me go get my warded kit. Yeah, so all fiddling around with that pick and everything, and it really is just a warded padlock. But you can't go all the way to the end, and the small little single actuator thing will work on it. But a pick will also do it too, if you don't have the camera on and stuff like that. Trying to do. There we go. So there you go. Sorry that took so long. Atrociously long. Look, here's the baby. The middle one. And then, oh, he got slaughtered. It still works. I put in one, see that huge spring there? I put one plate back in to show the little useless springs resting on the mechanism. And like I said, this one, when you start running into these big suckers right there, your regular warded set is not going to work. And these guys are not easy. Not easy, but these little ones, warded padlock. Anyways, I'm going to put one of those. New old stock is in a, it comes in a little wrapper like this. And two little tiny keys. A little box. And it's the same one. Let's put this one in the giveaway, which is video 598. I'm not going to do my drawing right away. Probably sometime next week. But I'll give you all this weekend and everything to... And I'm trying to get more stuff, like I said. I'm trying to get another one of these for the giveaway to go in there also. So, thanks for watching, and happy picking, everyone.